Do you want to get your hands on a Veefriends Series 2 NFT during the public mint? Stay tuned. I'm going to explain exactly how you can enter the raffle. That's right, I said it, raffle. The whole thing has been flipped on its head. What was going to be a public mint, which is first come, first serve, is now going to be a raffle. And I'm going to break down exactly how you can enroll in the raffle. Smash subscribe. This is NFTs made simple. And you know what? Before I explain exactly how to enter the raffle, I want to explain why this is happening. One of the major concerns with this Veefriends Series 2 launch was exorbitant gas fees. And so while it might only cost you 0.335 ETH to purchase a Veefriends, because there were so many people trying to buy them at the same time, the network fees, the gas fees were going to be incredibly high. And that's not good for you. It's not good for me. It could be really bad if you spend, let's call it, I don't know, 0.1 ETH on gas fees, and then you don't actually get a chance to purchase because they're all sold out before it goes through. That's obviously a big problem. And, for a large launch like this, you're not only competing with people and humans, but you're competing against bots. So it was gonna be a really bad deal. So I think it's a really smart move by Gary to move into a raffle phase for the public mint. And by the way, I have another video, I'll link to it right here, that explains all of the different ways that you can actually get in on the public or on the Veefriends Series 2 NFTs before they go live on OpenSea and all that. So anyway, with all that said, let's hop over into Gary V's Discord. I'm gonna explain how you can enter the raffle to buy your very own Series 2 NFT. Boom. All right, here we are in the Discord here for Gary V. So let's read exactly how to enter. How do I enter the raffle? Any user who holds a minimum of 0.335 ETH in their wallet, so you might have that in your MetaMask wallet, for example. That's where I hold most of mine. And holds the member role in the Veefriends Discord as of Thursday, April 21st at 6:10 p.m. Eastern. That time has already passed. So if you're asking yourself, am I a member of the Veefriends Discord? Well, I don't know. If you're in the Discord with Gary V, if you've entered into it, then you're almost assuredly a member. Basically, if you've been getting any messages or seen any messages, you are a member. Again, I'm going to put links below to the Discord. I'm going to put links to all the relevant postings below. Do not respond to any comments. I will not comment. I'm not going to reach out to you or DM you or whatever. Never click a link from somebody you don't know, but I am going to put links here in this video. So let's go over to the blog, and again, link below, that explains this in a little bit more detail, and it's very easy to enter. So let me show you how. Boom. Okay. So again, here's a blog that kind of breaks it down what we've already seen. As long as you're in the Discord and you have the 0.335 ETH, you are eligible to enroll. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to this premint.xyz website. Again, link below. There's also a link in the Discord. There's also a link here in the blog. And what you're going to do is you're connect your wallet to the Premint website, and you're going to connect your Discord account to the Premint website. That's it. That's all you need to do to enroll. I'm not going to show you the whole page here because I've got, some private wallet information on here, but that's it. That's all you need to do to enroll, and you're going to add a notification to your calendar so you'll know how to check back in. It's also important to recognize that the raffle. Okay, so let's just read it here. You have the raffle starts to enter the raffle. You can enter from April 21st from 6:10 to Monday, April 25th at 12 a.m. So you've got about the weekend, which is why I'm pushing out this emergency episode for you, because I want you to have a chance at winning one of these things alongside myself. Okay. There's some other stuff here that's not super important. How many Series 2 can I mint? Well, it's basically 1 mint per wallet. That's it. How it works. Those who are interested in and eligible to be in the Veefriends Series 2 public mint need to go to Premint, which we just talked about. That's this website over here. Connect your wallet, connect your Discord account, and register. That is it. The results are going to be announced on Monday, the 25th. Again, after you've enrolled, you're going to be able to add a message to your calendar. I'll be bringing you more information as it comes in. And then when you win, you have 24 hours 24 hours. So between Monday and Tuesday, that's you're not going to have a lot of time to mint. So again, stay tuned, keep in touch. And if you haven't yet, go to nftsmadesimple.com, nftsmadesimple.com, so you can make sure that you are getting up-to-date information from us here. And yeah, make sure that you go to the pre-mint website. If you have the ETH, if you're in the Discord, you should go there right now and get into this raffle, because I mean, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research, all of that yada, yada disclaimer. But listen, if I had the chance of buying one of these for 0.335 ETH, I'm going to do it, because they're just going to be a lot more. Historically speaking, these things have gone up in value. So that's what we have to go off of. Anyway, I'm going to put links below so you can read up on yourself. You don't have to get caught up in all the confusion and all the hype and all that. I'm just saying that, hey, enter the raffle. And if you win, great. If not, that's cool too. There's other ways to win. And again, I've shared a link previously on the other ways you can win. With all that said, if you found this interesting, make sure you smash the subscribe button right now. I'm going to bring you more updates as things are on and popping. This is NFTs Made Simple. I'm Mark Savant. We'll catch you next time. Peace.